Hi ladies, just checking in on a Wednesday evening. Want to show you my latest creation that I've been blessed in the last 5 years or so with my hands. A little hard to see, I couldn't take the brightness up. This is my new bread. I call it yogurt. No, I call it cinnamon yogurt homemade baked bread. So this took about an hour to cook, and reason is I did it low temperature. I actually broiled it just a little bit on top so it can kind of look like something sort of from Zoo Pans. We're going to see, I just took it out of the oven. I'm going to put a little butter on it. I'm not supposed to be eating too many carbohydrates, so this is like a huge treat. Just wanted to show you, hope you can see it okay. So, new creation at this point. And there's lots more to come, so just checking in. Hope you guys are having a good week. Please feel free to subscribe or send me a comment if you have questions, things like that. I'm going to do so much more. I've had so much going on, mainly family, so things are going a little slower on this channel than I would have liked. I really want to just really be open and free about eating and femininity and culture, meaning, you know, what you eat and what you do and how you take care of yourself does matter. It so matters. It matters with your health. It matters about your age. I just recently turned a new age, so very recently, last few days, and it does matter. It matters. It matters. It matters what you do with your life. It matters, especially as you get older. It matters. Time that we may have on, on this land or not, on this earth or not. So it does matter what you do, how you feel, the joy that you see, knowing where you come from. And I'm going to get more into those topics as well. But right now I just want to show this. And earlier, I actually want to show you before it was made. So actually just what I did is I took a little flour. I really like to use unbleached flour. I just used what was at the house at the time. So it is what it is today, ladies. But I hope you have a wonderful day and be encouraged in life. And there's a lot more I'd like to get into, which might connect to my other channel. Sorry, I had a text message come through. Also, yeah, I added some yogurt inside it. I do have some oil in there. I really like to use olive oil. If I was going to do a garlic spread, I would just dribble the garlic oil over the bread, but I did not do it this time. So, and there is no yeast in here, so it was able to rise on its own. There's no yeast at all. There is baking powder. All right, about 4 or 5 ingredients. So 5 to 7 ingredients. And I'll put that in the description and explanation another time. Remember, ladies, there's so much you can do. If you're housebound or you're in the house a lot and you're not getting out, there's a lot you can do for your legs, your glutes, your stomach. Trying to get those last pounds off that I had gained back and keep going. So that's what I'm working on as well. But I want to talk to ladies, in the inner city, especially to my sisters, You must know who you are. You must know your feminine qualities. And I don't mean the ones that seduce and the ones that hound men and the ones that are like a wicked spirit, not like that. I mean the ones, what I'm saying is just your goodness inside, your inner beauty, being able to bake and do things with your hands and create different artwork and things like that, writing, and so important. I've seen the bad and the ugly, been through it, and you know what? It's not for me. That's not, when you decide to create family or relationship with someone of the opposite sex, you have to be whole souled, and you have to be honest. You have to have clarity. You have to be truthful. So there's so many women on YouTube, on social media, just saying, use them up, fake, and do this, and never show who you are. No, have your skin pretty on your own, and work on yourself, and get through life yourself as well, and be the best you can be. But yes, a man should be a provider. Yes, yes. But you want to work along with someone where you're not the builder, but you are bringing joy to his heart. He can confide and talk to you. So that's important. All right, you guys, just a step note there. Also, next time, I'm going to make raisin bread next time. Looks a little bit like raisin bread, but it's not. So not showing my face today because this isn't the video for that. This is all about the yummy, yummy, and the butter I'm going to put on this. I'm going to have a couple slices. Rest for family. All right, you guys. So you guys have a good evening. I'll talk to you soon, all right? Ciao.